Hi, Chinti and Monica. So this is just a short video to show how to use the data dictionary. So the most common way of thinking about a data dictionary is what Cinzia I think sent in a separate email. By the way, Amrapali, look at you here. Every time you send me an email, I can see your picture. I don't have the email here, but it's that typical data dictionary where you have the name of the variable and then the definition of the variable. The problem is, the definition sometimes is called a label. The problem is that for a variety of reasons, in our data dictionary, we don't have a definition. So instead of a definition, what we have, and I'm just opening up the spreadsheet that Amrapali sent, is that we have the name of the variable, which in an ontology we call a class. Okay, forget about these. Let me just fix this. Forget about these properties. These things for now they don't really matter. And let's focus on an example. So what I am going to do now is that for this, again, a class equals a variable or a field. Okay. Um, so I'm going to click on the link for examples, and it takes me to a page. Taking some time here, but it's going to take me to a page where it shows me one example of what a value for the agency class or the agency variable would look like. So primarily this NCRR. So NCRR, just explaining this variable, agency is basically the funding agency, the agency that provides the funding for the trial. In the National Center for Research Resources is actually one of the institutes within NIH. If I wanted to look at other types of variables, I would click here on example agency, and then it gives me every single possible value for that class, or if you want to use the statistical terminology, every single possible value for that variable. Okay, so there's a ton of them there. So the idea is that by looking at the examples, because we don't have the labels, we don't have the definitions, you can potentially get a sense of what the variable is all about.